been getting a ton of questions regarding the Fondust product from Roxy and Rich. Right here, Fondust. Okay, this is the powder colorant that we use to color, well, that I mainly use to color royal icing. So a question that I've been asked over and over is, can you mix two colors to achieve one? Well, the answer is yes. Roxy and Rich has such a vast selection of colors that you can normally find what you're looking for in the one jar. However, if you wanted to mix two colors together, you surely can. I've done it. So here is the navy blue, and the color on its own is beautiful, but I like to mix it with a little bit of black Fondust just to achieve a really nice, deep, dark navy blue. So we're gonna do that. Here's my royal icing, and I've already used some water to thin it out a little bit. So I just use a water bottle, a little spray bottle, which I do carry in the shop. I just watered it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some of the Roxy and Rich powder. Now I'm not gonna use a measuring spoon to measure it out. I'm just gonna use the tip of my spatula just to scoop it in. And then I'm just gonna add as little or as much as I need until I get to the color that I want. So there really is no ratio. I'm not going to say use a 1/4 teaspoon of one and 1/8 of this one. I'm just going to gauge by eye until I get to the color that I want. Okay, so we're going to start with the navy blue. I'm just going to use the tip of my spatula I'm just going to start with a really small amount. Okay, it's a really small amount. Okay. I'm going to move this out of the way, and it can get messy, so use a paper towel underneath, because once this gets onto your surface, it kind of goes everywhere. So you can already see the color in there. Okay, just going to mix it up. I'm going to add some water because it's a little bit too thick, and you can see as I add the water, you can really see it activating the dust. All right, so here's the black. I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm not gonna add as much as I did with the blue. So just the tip of my spatula, put it in, and let's see where we go with this. Okay guys, I'm just coming back. The elapsed time is 10 minutes. So this is just 10 minutes already. And you can already see it starting to deepen. I know with the light it's difficult to tell, but it really has deepened a little bit. Well, I wouldn't say a little bit. I think significantly already. Looks great. I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes. Okay, so now we are at 20 minutes, and I haven't looked inside yet, but let's see. Wow, much deeper, beautiful. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this in a piping bag, and I'm going to ice a cookie and show you what it looks like, and then once it's dried for about 10-15 minutes, I will show you how the color deepens even further. Now I'm going to speed up this part of the video in a second, just so that it doesn't take, just so you're not stuck here watching me ice this cookie for the next 5 minutes. So here it goes. It's going to speed up now. As you can see, it's a pretty beautiful color, just as it is. But once this dries, it's going to darken up. So I'm going to leave this cookie here. Actually, I'm going to place it in front of a cool fan for about 10 minutes just to speed up the drying, and then I'll come back and show you the actual color. Okay guys, so it truly is difficult to see in the video the depth of these colors, really. This one I just iced right now, and this one has been drying for about 10 minutes. However, this color in the piping bag had continued to develop, so it did get darker, but you can see that these are a really nice deep rich color. So for this I use navy blue Fondust along with the black, super black Fondust. And that's it. Guys, all I can say is that this is a really, really great quality product. It's absolutely amazing, and I'm very, very happy to be able to carry it in my shop and offer it to all of you.